Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 28. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yuner, right now. She was still talking to Shang Ying. Ang Yuner said to her, Shang Ying, do you know what you are talking about? Now she looks really serious. But of course, Shang Guangying, she won't stop bothering her and said, I know it very well. I never thought that I would have such a humble day. I want to communicate with you in any way possible. Now it was Yang Yuner. She said to Shang Guangying that sorry, I won't do that. Oh, finally, she rejected her. Even though Shang Guanyin is really a pushy person. But of course, Yang Yuner, she really rejected her instantly. Shang Guanyin said to her, why? It won't do you any harm. Shang Guanyin said, Yuner, but that's not fair to you. Well, definitely she was right. Although I don't like you, I shouldn't trample on your feelings for me in any way. Miss Shangguan, you can lose your mind when you love someone, but don't ever lose your pride. Well, definitely, young Yuner, she was really a good person. If she can say those words to her, it means she really care about it. Now she don't want to hurt anyone. Shang Guanyin finally said, I see. Well, of course, it was young Yuner said to her. That was good. Now, look at her. She looks really happy. But Shang Guanyin moved closer to her and said to her, but now you make me like you more. What should I do? Shang Guanyin said to Yang Yuner, well, this girl, she won't really back down. Of course, it was Yang Yuner who pushed her away. Now, she's really getting tricky, right? You really know how to grasp the key point, Yuner said to her. Now, it really makes sense. Finally, after a few days in the hospital, young Yuner already came back home. I'm finally home. I was almost bored to death in the hospital. Young Yuner said to Oh Chansey, Sissy, I'm fine now. You don't have to treat me as a patient. Although the doctor said you can be discharged from the hospital, you still need to rest well during this period. Oh, it turns out Oh Chansey, she is not a cold president but also a loving and caring. I heard it with both ears. Yuner said to her, well, okay. But suddenly there's someone calling on her phone. Yuner said to her, Sissy, you can go ahead and do your work first. I'll go rest on the sofa. Okay, I'll cook for you later. Yuner said to her, oh, she's really caring, right? And she also concerned about her. During the time I was injured, Sissy always responded to my requests. If I strike while to iron the hat, I asked her to go back to the old house with me. She will agree, right? Now it really makes sense. It is this reason that's why she was really acting cute. There is one thing I think you should know. What's wrong? It is rare to see her such an expression. I just received confirmed information that your fall from the horse was not an accident. No, Ochensi said to her. So it means that it was intentional. And who's the person who's plotting this? It was written by my stepmother. I should have thought about it earlier. She hates me so much that she would definitely attack you. I'm sorry I've caused you trouble again. Ochensi, she seems to be apologetic to young Yuner. She knows that her stepmother is really crazy. No, no trouble. It's my own choice. Now young Yuner said to Ochensi, the moment I signed the contract, I knew that I was getting into. Didn't you choose me because you thought I could handle this? Young Yuner said to Ochensi. Well, definitely, she was right. But now, she was really regretting about it. Now, she know to herself that her stepmother is also a crazy person, and it is really her fault that she really asked her about this. Ochensi said to her, you can choose again. I couldn't deceive myself. I couldn't bear to see her get hurt. Ochensi said to young Yuner. Now, looking at her face, she looks really serious about this matter. Young Yuner said to her, I don't want to re-elect. Oh, she moved closer to Oh Chansey, and now she's acting like a baby. Well, this girl, she's really getting better on this. She was really good at acting. I believe Sissy can really protect me. Ang Yuner said to Oh Chansey. Oh, this line. This is really good, right? And her expression is really good. Now, Oh Chansey said to her, yes, I can still protect you. Well, of course, she's really concerned about her, especially she's the sister of her best friend. Now, it makes sense. On the other side, she was thinking of someone. Is this the girl who she really wants to protect? The girl who's studying abroad? Well, definitely, who is she to her? Now, Ochansi said to herself that she's the second person I want to protect because the first one is the girl who's studying abroad. Well, this really sad, right? Turns out there's someone already placed on her heart. That's why in some days she was acting so cold. I'll make her to pay for this. It's like she's promising her. But for young Yuner, Sissy, I know how you feel for me. But now, it's not the time to do anything. Don't you want me to seek justice for you? Ochansi said to Yuner. Of course, Yuner, your stepmother sees you as thorn in her side, and with your personality, you will never just sit there and wait for their death. You have been patient for so long, not because you are afraid of her, but because you are looking for the opportunity to defeat the enemy. If you alert the enemy because of me, it will be more trouble than gain. She can actually see through all of this. I really underestimated her before. Eunice said to herself, are you shocked by my intelligence and excellent overall view? But young Eunice said, I am shocked by your shamelessness. Well, definitely, she was really right about this. Now, it really makes sense to young Yuner, but she hurt you like this. If I do nothing, I will. Now, she still want to pursue, to get revenge on her stepmother. But now, she should really not do. Young Yuner is really opposed to this. Who said, you don't do anything, you have to compensate me. Compensate? Oh, Chansey. She seems to be in question. Now, what compensation do you want? Oh, I sense something wrong in this. Well, Yuner, she almost always gets tricky. Now, we are all curious what compensate she will ask for. Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!